Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Lidia Rodriguez and I'm back here with a new video. Yay! I'm gonna try to recreate a video that I did before with my trustly and amazing beloved Morphe palette, the 398. I love that palette, so I'm gonna jump right into prep my face. You guys know already what is my routine. If you guys don't know, I'm just gonna let you know and show you. And thank you so much for the patience. Thank you so by Instagram, to Sammy, to Maria, Anna, Melly, because I know you guys have been requesting new videos, and yeah, I've been MIA. So let's gonna jump right into the tutorial, and I just gonna fast forward what I'm gonna do with my face, and then let's gonna chillax with the eye look. Yay! Mwah! You guys know, love my hair. I love my hair right now. I am living for this hair. Yes. Let's go and jump in the tutorial with the 39A Morphe palette. Yes, the look that I did before, it was a hot pink with orange, and I really love it. I don't know if I want to go with the same vibe that I did before, so I'm gonna try to mix and match some colors. Regardless, this palette is really intense. Okay, this is in highly intense, colorful and full pigment palette. Okay, so let's gonna see what can I do for a soft look. I've been using this same pencil the whole Livia, use a new one, don't be like this. Okay, I'm gonna get my blending brush. I'm gonna just warm my crease with a bunch of warm shades. Add something very extra and a nice transition for any color. So any warm shade that you have. In this case, I'm using this one right here. Every time that I want to achieve a look, I never go to the description box to that person and see exactly what the person have. I just like to go with my own flow and try to figure it out, the colors by myself. I'm gonna grab hot pink and I'm gonna place it in this is my crease. You just grab a little bit and this palette is boom chakalaka. I stay with the same pink color from the Morphe palette, but what I did was, where I want the most intense pigment color, I just go with a tap and deposit motion, and then from that I go very lightly and blending upwards, and like towards the end of my brows. Because I don't like to stop in just one point. I like to everything goes and fly and flow together. And I'm not using any brush wet or damp. I just use it by it is. And I think that this is the best way to see how the palette perform. You know, I don't like to help any palette. I just want it to be good in that. Yay! This hot orange color I really don't like. the formula, I don't know, it's very different than the other ones. So I'm gonna try to place it with my finger. I found it a little bit dry. Oh, definitely with my finger goes a lot better than with a brush. So I recommend to go with a finger with this color, because it's the best way to get the most pigment of the color. So I really like how it looks right now, but I think that I'm gonna intensify a little bit more the inner and the outer corner to create like a sort of halo eye. And I think that the trick with this look is really to make the colors blend together and don't see when they start and when they and where they end. I think that is like the most beautiful thing for those look. Whatsoever, I'm still seeing this orange a little bit dead, so I'm gonna see how I just bring it to life a little bit more. I'm gonna go with a little bit of black, just a little. The black of this palette is so intense, so intense. I'm pretty much gonna mimic the same that I did in my upper lid, so yes, you guys can follow that thing. I finished my lower lash line. I think that is really pretty, but I wanted to like add some little things, and I have this metal flash metallic glitter liner, and I'm just going to apply them in my, yes, in my crease, because I don't know, the eye look is really pretty. There's a little bit in the orange. The thing that I really want to pop is not popping enough for me, so let's going to make them pop. This is really pretty here. And I think that I'm going a little bit also in my inner corner, because it's a little bit dark. And now I am just going everywhere. Now with my lashes on, I'm just going to finish a little bit more the eyes. I think that I want to a little bit more drama in my lower lash line, a little bit more. Like, this is not enough, I just want more. Like, how much we change with another eye color. It's incredible. I think I look like a totally different person. I know. Some of my people from Instagram that have seen me already like this, they just love it. I'm just gonna run a little bit purple in my brows. Purple, no, pink, because I just like the look. And I mean, why not? I am feeling to doing something like this. I like it. And I really like to experiment with my brows. One girl just texted me, you just can't make a thing of your brows because you're always changing the color. Sometimes I like to make it blue, green, depends on my mood. Today they are pink. And I really like them. Should I do liner or not? I don't know. What do you guys think? And the trick is, if you do the lines more narrow, your nose is gonna appear smaller and thinner. I'm just gonna soften everything out. But with want something to show, but not so much. I'm gonna run it like this, and I see my contour a little bit harsh. So I'm gonna try to soften it up, everything, because it's like a really two lines. And that's exactly not the look that I'm going for. Well, I think that looks more diffuse. Now I'm going to highlight, and I'm going to be using this palette by Action, and I really like it. The shine, everything that this palette does for me is really cool, and also I like the pink iridescent highlight. Just look at this and tell me. So I'm gonna be hitting a little bit my high points, also my nose. I like this look much better than the one that I did already. This is already, I like it a lot more. Yes. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. I'm going first to line my lips with Spice by Mach Cosmetic. I'm going to take this Salvation Velvet Lacquer, the Makeup Revolution, in the shade Velvet Rebel, my second name, because I'm a rebel for sure. I'm just gonna see. I really love this lot. So pretty. Oh, I love it with the pink. I think that I need a little bit more pink, so I'm going with this primer matte liquid lipstick in the shade, I don't know, I'm gonna find the name for you guys later. Oh, I think that I need a little bit more blush. This is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy it, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. I'm gonna be here waiting for you because we have a date. And I have a bunch of cool look and nice products to show you guys. Very affordable, very good. So I am sure that you're gonna enjoy this with me. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. Don't be a stranger and do something. So I hope to see you next time right here. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, see you soon. Mwah! Meow. Let me know this